Hello ladies, it's Dawn, and this is my sister Deb. Today we're going to talk about morning routine, getting ready with me. And as you know, there's a lot of skincare products out there, and so today we're going to talk about the goPure skincare products because they are especially formulated for women over 40. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and also hit that notification button. And we look forward to making more videos with you. So without further ado, Deborah, I think skincare is the most important thing. If you have really good skin and you're taking good care of your skin, you don't need as much makeup. Right. And as you know, our skin changes, right, over time.
That's for sure. I mean, and now that I'm retired,
yeah,
I want to be able to just get up and go in the morning. I don't want to have to go through a whole routine where I'm putting on makeup, but I still want my skin to look good.
Yeah.
And the other thing that's going on with me now that I'm retired is I'm a master gardener, so I'm out in the sun a lot. So I want to make sure my skin is protected as well.
Right, right. And, you know, so I think what I love about the goPure products, you know, when they sent it to me, at first, you know, I like to, as a skincare expert, I'm always, you know, trying new things. Yeah. But I really felt like they had the botanicals and the things that I felt were important to me and what I look for in skincare.
Yeah, me too.
They're vegan, they're cruelty-free, paraben-free, no chemicals. They tend to use botanicals and no fragrance. And
That's
so
great.
The fragrance, a lot of women have allergies.
Yeah.
Does your skin tend to break out?
It does.
Yeah, mine too. I get very, it's kind of an insensitivity. It gets a little rashy with fragrance. So let's just talk about our morning routine.
Yeah.
Do you have a particular morning routine that you do? Is it just wash and go? Or
Well, you know, now, as I said, I get up in the morning and I do cleanse my face and I do put on moisturizer, but not much more than that. And I'm finding that I do have some blotchiness and I get a few freckles here and there, especially no matter how much SPF I put on, still get them. So, you know, I think it's really important, like you say, to make sure that your skin is healthy. I spend a lot of time keeping my insides healthy, so I should give as much time and attention
That's
to
a good
face.
point, because I feel like when you have good skin when you're eating well and you're well hydrated, you're drinking a lot of water.
Yeah.
And again, you know, good skincare is really the key. So that's a lot of things involved. It's good hydration, eating well, and taking good care of it. One of the other things I wanted to ask you, you know, when you do your skincare routine in the morning, are there particular things that are a must for you that you will not leave the house without doing?
Yeah, well, definitely the SPF.
Yes.
I want to make sure that my skin is protected from the sun. And moisturizer. I worry, you know, at this age, your eyes get very puffy in the morning. So I like to put something on that will
they have
reduce...
a great eye serum. So we'll be talking about that. So we'll go through the steps. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is really cleanse our face really well.
Yep.
This is their vitamin C, sulfite free. And, you know, again, you just want to wash your face thoroughly because it starts with good cleanser. Cleansing really well. And then make sure that we get everything off, any residue, any old mascara from last night, if we were up too late. So make sure that everything is off, all the cleanser is off. So I like to use a nice washcloth, get it all off. So now we are totally in the raw right now. There's nothing on our face. And pat dry.
Okay.
So I would
wipe off the cleanser, right?
Wipe off the cleanser thoroughly, pat dry.
Does it look like it's all off?
Yeah, it does. Your skin is already glowing. And make sure you pat dry.
Okay.
You know, a lot of women, they write on my, and some of the comments, they'll say, oh, you're using fillers and Botox and all that. And I just want to put it out there, I don't.
Nobody's
I probably
going to
do.
accuse me of that.
I can't even believe people accuse me. I don't. I am what I am, but I kind of think wrinkles are kind of pretty, so I don't have a problem with it. It shows a twinkle in your eye, and it also shows you've lived a good life. You've laughed a lot.
That's right.
So after we cleanse, toner. So I'm going to hold this out here. Again, the toner is really great because the toner, a lot of people skip this step, and I found through a very dear makeup artist friend of mine, Joseph, he said never skip toner, because not only toner brings the pH balance back to your skin, but it also, we'll just put a little bit on the cotton ball, but it also helps with the elements. It really signals to your skin whether it's dry outside, cold. It really helps with the elements.
See, now
So
I
that
never
feels
knew
great.
that. A toner is a step that I've skipped in the past. I
You
never
know,
realized how important it was.
Me either. And I have to tell you, I started using toner every day since Joseph told me that, and also an esthetician. And I have found that it has made such a difference in my skin. It's amazing. And I even put a little bit on my neck. So this particular toner has witch hazel, aloe vera, and rosehip oil, which are all really good for the skin.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm sure you've heard aloe vera is great.
All of
for
those are
sunburn.
botanicals.
Yeah.
In fact,
So-
I just saw a witch hazel tree blooming recently.
oh,
and
really?
Imagine my rapture, seeing a tree blooming in February.
Yeah, I'm sure. Because aloe vera has been used actually for hundreds of years by people in the desert. They cracked open an aloe vera plant if they've had sunburn. It's also good to digest. It's great actually for digestion. Ladies, do not skip your toner. It's important. After the toner, you got your toner on? Okay.
I think so.
The next we want to do is our eye cream. So we're just going to pat a little bit of eye cream on underneath our eyes. And this is just a couple of squirts. Right, and then what we're going to do is just pat a little bit under our eyes.
Okay.
Now, you can use this eye cream, and again, around the orb of your eye, so it's always from the inside to the outside, inside to the outside, and around the orb. Now, a lot of people say to me, oh, I use my eye cream, after I put on my vitamin C serum. I don't think it really matters. You can put on your eye cream first, or you can put it on. But eye cream is really important. That'll take down the puffiness. There's mornings where you wake
That's what
up,
I
you're a little
need.
puffy, you've had a bad night's sleep,
Yeah.
or you've
A little too much wine.
or you were crying
Oops,
over
should
something.
I have not said that?
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure everyone out there has had a little bit of
Once
too
or
much
twice.
wine once or
Once
twice
or
in their lives. The next step is the vitamin C serum. Now, cleanse our face. We've toned it. We put a little bit of eye cream. I think that the vitamin C serum is just really a must-have. So again, I'm going to just kind of hold this out like this. Hopefully this will adjust. Auto-adjust, but just put a few drops in your hands. And again, you can use cotton, so, you can dab it on.
And you put it
Or
on your cheeks and
You
chin?
put it all over,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And this is going to sort of lighten and brighten your skin. Vitamin C serum is fantastic because it's great it's a alpha hydroxy acid. It's a fruit acid, basically. So it's got a little bit of an exfoliant in it, and it lightens and brightens your skin. As you age, you get those little spots, freckles, brown spots.
Right.
We've been in the sun a lot.
Yeah,
I remember back
right.
in the 70s, we were in the sun
we
all
would
the time.
Baby oil on
Baby
too,
oil,
get
yeah.
sunburns,
And-
that base tan.
Yeah, where that's
Because
kind
we
of
didn't know any better.
we didn't know any better, so forgive us. But yeah, in the 70s we were out baking in the sun. Well, we're from Buffalo, and we never saw the sun that much. I think we got a month or two of sun,
so we
we're
made the most of it.
even if it hit 50, we were outside, we're in the sun trying to get a suntan. The vitamin C, again, I don't know if you have any questions about it, but really, every esthetician talks about putting on the vitamin C serum because it really makes a difference. It exfoliates your skin very gently, which we love. And it gives that sort of brightness to the skin, and it lightens it,
Does
and
that
it makes
look
it very
like
pretty.
I did it right?
Yeah, you did it
Okay,
right.
good.
You did it right.
All right.
After that, you might want to put your hyaluronic acid on. So where's your hyaluronic?
So tell me what this is. I've never heard of this
Hyaluronic. The hyaluronic is just a fancy word for moisturizer. It's
Oh,
a
okay.
humectant.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to just put a few drops again in our hands, and that's going to moisturize our skin. So I even like to use my fingers because I feel like it really gets in there. So you can put it on a cotton swab, or you can and you can also feel the moisture when you put it on.
I'm going
It
to
just
use my
gives,
fingers just so I could
yeah.
get a feel.
And ladies, when your skin, and again, always the neck, always in an upward motion. I feel that when your skin is glowy, you really need very little makeup because once you have your skin all prepped and beautiful, why cover it up with foundation and just all this, you know, when your skin's looking glowy and fresh as a daisy.
Throw away the blush. You don't need it anymore.
Yeah, exactly. And the last step is moisturizer. And then our skin is all ready to, whether we put on our makeup or whether we're running out the door or whether we're just going to hang out and garden.
Yeah,
If you're retired, just garden away or go have fun or go to a museum or whatever. Your skin is prepped. So my favorite of their moisturizer, I'll hold this up, is the vitamin C. This is a hydrating moisturizer. Let me get my glasses. Where are my glasses? Can you hand me my glasses?
Sure.
I can't. Age. You can't read that well. So this has shea butter, jojoba oil, and green tea. How wonderful are those ingredients? So again, let's just try this. Just a couple of pumps, pump. A little bit goes a long way when you have sort of the natural botanicals. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and always in an outward motion. So upward, outward. And you can even put some on your neck. Again, neck is part of your face, so. And so I love the green tea, and I love that it has jojoba, and I love that it has shea butter. All are extremely moisturizing to the skin. Shea butter comes from Africa. A lot of women in Africa, well, it comes from different parts of the world, but Africa, they really use a lot of shea butter because they're in the hot sun.
Right.
And because it's so moisturizing and emollient to the skin. So a lot of African women use shea butter.
I love the feel of this.
It's nice,
I
right?
love it going on. I don't want to stop. I just want to keep rubbing my face.
Go crazy. All right. Well, we're giving ourselves self-love, right?
Yes,
that's what it's all about. Okay, ladies. So that's pretty much our morning routine. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please subscribe.
Wait, one last question.
Oh, we're gonna.
What about the argan oil?
Oh yeah, we're gonna also talk about if you don't want to use this regular moisturizer, which is the vitamin C. Another step you can use. There's actually two, and you can switch them up. I actually like one day the moisturizer, one day argan oil, one day the rosehip oil. Yeah. Let's talk about argan oil.
Yeah.
Okay, this is 100%, I'm going to hold this out. This is 100% organic argan oil by goPure. So argan oil is a essential fatty acid. Thanks, Deb. That's what sisters do. They make sure that everything's,
Perfect.
Perfect. So argan oil is an essential fatty acid.
Yep.
A lot of women in Europe use argan oil, and that's all they use sometimes.
Yeah.
It's just argan oil after they cleanse their face and do some steps. It's a great moisturizer. We can even just a few pumps.
I have to tell you, I see that this is premium grade from Morocco, and I've been interested in argan oil ever since I went to Morocco, and I heard about the goats that climb the argan trees.
Right.
It's a really interesting story because what they found out is that the goats climb the trees, they eat the fruit on the tree, and then they spit out the seed. And because they're ruminants, the seed goes in their stomach, gets kind of acidified, etc. They spit it out, and that's where they get the argan oil from. So the goats actually help in the production of the argan oil.
Good for goats. Oh my God.
I mean, you gotta love a goat. They actually figured out how to climb these trees.
Wow.
Sometimes 8-10 feet up where the farmers can't get at the fruit.
Wow.
So they use the goats to do the harvesting.
Isn't that a great story?
Cool.
But look at my skin, even just putting it on. Look at the moisture.
Yeah.
Just from, see, argan oil can be used everywhere. It can be used on your face, your arms, your legs, your elbows.
Yeah,
and you can see the difference just when you look at the moisturizer and the hydration. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So yeah, there was a woman in France. I saw her skin. She looked like she was 20. She told me she was 60. I mean, I said, what are you using? And she said, argan oil. I just use argan oil every day. So argan oil, happens to be a very high grade, 100% organic, pure. And then rosehip oil. You can also use rosehip oil, again, an essential fatty acid, really pure, cold pressed. This one, again, they have not missed a step with formulating the goPure products because they really really took in consideration women over a certain age, and our skin changes over a certain age, right? I mean, how much has your skin changed? I mean, we feel like when we were 20s, we had more collagen. You know, every day you lose collagen, and as you get older, it starts as from a baby, and then you start losing it.
Not to mention, now at this age, I feel like my skin is like a sponge. When I put moisturizer on, it just soaks it right up, and I have to reapply and reapply. So if you get a really good quality moisturizer,
right,
you don't have to use so much of it.
Right. And also, what happens to our skin? I mean, I know we're Irish. We have a lot of Irish in us. We get a little bit red. You know, that's just part of our skin is just a little more of a redness to it. And so now our skin is prepped. We're ready for our makeup. So this is our morning routine. I want to tell you what I do in the morning. If I'm in a real rush, I use 3 different things. I have this, an eyelash curler, mascara, and then lipstick. A makeup artist once told me, if you have your lipstick on, you look ready. So I usually use my lipstick, and I even use this lipstick as a little bit of a blush, you know, and then I use this is when I'm in a real rush, ladies, when I'm really rushing, but use this, you know, and then I use this, curl my eyelashes, curl my lashes, and then I put on some mascara, and I'm pretty good to go.
Well, how about if I do this? Yeah, you look great. How about if I go dry my hair, put on a little mascara, a little bit of lipstick, and we'll see what the final product looks like.
Okay, we'll be right back.
All right. What do you think of?
Okay, now we're back.
What do you think of the final result?
I think you look amazing. What do you ladies think? How does your skin feel?
It feels great. It feels nice and soft. That initial redness, that Irish flush that I get whenever I try something new went away very quickly. And now I feel like my skin is just glowing and moisturized.
And you know, a lot of that is from just you're stimulating your skin.
Right.
So also the vitamin C, both the vitamin C serum and the cleanser, as you know, has a little bit of an exfoliant in it. So that always causes a little bit. But then once your skin settles down, it has that glow. So you look great. She has a little bit of makeup on.
Just mascara, a little bit of lipstick, and I'm ready to go.
And no blush?
No blush.
Wow. Talk about a fresh face beauty.
I could throw away the blush. I don't need it anymore.
Yeah. So ladies, thank you so much for watching. One of the things that I want to say before we sign off is that remember to use your SPF. If you work in a garden or you're outdoors or you're doing a lot of outdoor activity, always, no matter what, even if it's a cloudy day and it doesn't look like it's a hot sunny day, you still want to wear your SPF because it's still affecting your skin no matter what. I hope you ladies had fun with us, sisters. We have a lot of fun together, and I'm so blessed to have her with me today. Thank you. I'm blessed to have you watching me. Any questions, please write below. We love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below what are some of your favorite beauty morning routines and how you get ready and what saves you time. We'd love to hear from you.
Right.
So we will see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.